In the world of finance, one name stands out as a beacon of disruption and innovation: Cathie Wood, the visionary founder and CEO of ARK Invest. Her mission: to transform a modest $100 weekly investment into a millionaire's fortune. The perfect time to embark on this journey is now. And as we delve into her remarkable insights, you'll understand why. Welcome to Wealth Wiz, your financial genie. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes into the money pond, we're here with expert tips, fresh advice, and the latest financial buzz. Hit the subscribe button and let's embark on a magical financial journey together. Cathie Wood's journey through the labyrinth of the stock market has been nothing short of extraordinary. She navigates the ever-evolving financial landscape with a keen eye for innovation and a bold vision of the future. In this video, we'll explore her unique perspective on the market, her unwavering faith in disruption, and how her investment philosophy challenges conventional norms. Wood's journey is a tale of two eras, a juxtaposition of the past and the present. She fondly recalls the golden era of the Nasdaq during the 80s and 90s, when the stock market was a hotbed of innovation. It was a time when groundbreaking technologies and companies emerged, shaping entire industries. The birth of the internet, the dot-com boom, and the rapid evolution of telecommunications were the hallmarks of this era. However, Wood contends that the investment landscape has undergone a seismic shift in recent years. The trauma of the early 2000s tech and telecom bubble burst has left an indelible mark on the psyche of investors. Once enamored with exponential growth and innovation, they have become increasingly risk-averse. This shift is reflected in the way benchmark indices are constructed and followed, moving further away from their disruptive roots. Cathie Wood's ARK Invest takes a different path. It refuses to be confined to the linear growth narrative that has dominated the investment world for the past 5 decades. The fundamental tenet of ARK's investment strategies is that disruptive innovation-driven exponential growth will define the future. ARK Invest is on a relentless quest to identify companies at the forefront of innovation and disruption, rather than adhering to traditional benchmarks or conventional investment norms. Wood highlights how the Nasdaq and S&P 500 are becoming more similar in their makeup by including large-cap tech giants like the so-called FANG stocks: Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google, drawing a stark contrast between the past and the present. Even though they are powerful, Wood views these giants as less disruptive, which inspires ARK Invest to look for the disruptors of today and tomorrow. Wood's perspective is not without its critics. Some view her approach as too unconventional, while others see it as a beacon of hope in a market that increasingly values stability over disruption. Regardless of where one stands, it is evident that Cathie Wood's commitment to fostering innovation and embracing disruption is reshaping the investment landscape and challenging established conventions. Wood's investment philosophy isn't built on whims, but on a solid foundation of data-driven analysis. She relies on a concept known as Wright's Law, which provides a unique lens through which to view the market. Wright's Law, a close relative to Moore's Law, posits that as the number of units produced for a product doubles cumulatively, the associate costs related to new technologies decline at a consistent percentage rate. This principle offers a fascinating perspective when assessing the valuation of electric car manufacturer Tesla. Wood's analysis, guided by Wright's Law, reveals an intriguing insight. The cost of battery pack technology, a crucial component in electric vehicle production, is projected to decrease by 28% for every cumulative doubling of units sold. This paints a compelling picture of the future, where electric vehicles will become more affordable than their gas-powered counterparts. Wood's prediction that average electric vehicle prices will dip below those of traditional gas-powered vehicles in the near future is revolutionary. With an anticipated surge in electric vehicle sales, her outlook for the industry is bold and optimistic. Tesla, a cornerstone of ARK Invest portfolio, has played a pivotal role in the success of Wood's investment strategy. It has shown remarkable resilience, significantly outperforming the S&P 500. Before we go any further, a huge shout out to you for watching and joining our channel. You're now part of our fantastic financial family, all set to rock the money world. ARK Invest's flagship ARK Innovation ETF symbolizes us ARKK, exemplifies the success of Wood's investment approach. It has surged by approximately 30% this year, far surpassing the S&P 500's performance. Her belief in the imminent global transformation across sectors lends credence to her assertion that we are not in a bubble. Wood's commitment to data-driven analysis and her unwavering faith in Wright's Law provide investors with a unique and optimistic perspective on the evolving financial landscape. Her unconventional approach challenges the status quo and paints a vivid picture of a future where innovation and disruption take center stage. Wood is not only a keen observer of market trends, but also a shrewd stock picker. He emphasizes the importance of evaluating stocks from a top-down perspective, sizing up the potential of new technologies. Her estimates and aggressive projections for companies like Nvidia are a testament to her forward-thinking approach. Nvidia, a tech powerhouse, is in a beautiful position with its prowess in graphics processing units, or GPUs. While it is a major player in the hardware space, its value is already widely recognized in the market. The ratio of its market capitalization to its annual revenue is, by Wood's estimates, somewhere in the range of 25 to 27 times sales. In contrast, Tesla, often hailed as the biggest AI opportunity, is selling for approximately 6 to 7 times its revenue. As the leader in autonomous taxi platforms, Tesla represents a significant artificial intelligence project on a global scale. Wood's strategy doesn't stop at hardware-oriented companies. She emphasizes the importance of software in her portfolio. Companies like Twilio and Zoom, which are selling at 2 to 3 times sales, are prime examples of software-driven investments. These companies possess either high gross margins, like Zoom with 80%, or lower gross margins, like Tesla with margins in the 20s. However, Wood believes these margins will rise substantially due to the evolving software as a service, or SaaS, model. Her experience with truly disruptive innovation shows that the old guard tends to dismiss new technologies that threaten her dominance. Take Zoom, for instance. Many brushed it off as an AI opportunity, but its recent earnings reports challenge this notion. The lesson here is that even giants like Microsoft, which dominate their sectors, can underestimate the potential of disruptive newcomers. Microsoft's history with WebEx is a prime example. When Eric Yuan founded Zoom, he understood that enterprise communications were shifting from on-premises hardware-centric solutions to the cloud. Today, Zoom is selling at roughly 8 times this year's earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, EBITDA, making it a hard gem in the AI landscape. Wood is spearheading a diversification strategy around artificial intelligence, focusing on the stocks that are poised to benefit from this transformative technology. While Nvidia and Microsoft have long been the darlings of the market, Wood believes that other more software-oriented companies are on the cusp of becoming even bigger beneficiaries. Nvidia, historically associated with hardware, is poised for a transformation. Wood estimates that for every dollar of hardware sold in this AI opportunity, the software pull-through could be as high as $21. This shift is driven by the evolving SaaS model, which is expected to significantly boost gross margins for companies like Tesla, potentially reaching the 50s and 60s. Cathie Wood's investment philosophy, deeply rooted in data-driven analysis and forward-thinking projections, challenges the status quo and offers a fresh perspective on market dynamics. Her commitment to innovation, disruption, and a unique understanding of technology's potential is reshaping the investment landscape. As she continues to chart her course in the ever-changing financial world, one thing is clear. Cathie Wood is a force to be reckoned with, pushing the boundaries of conventional wisdom and embracing a future where disruption reigns supreme. Thanks for tuning in. If you loved what you saw, show us some love with a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more financial fab. Share the money magic with your fellow finance fanatics, and remember, stay money savvy. Till next time.